I have a question for you. How do you know if the audience understood what you just told them? Well, there's really only a way, and it's called a check for understanding. Lots of ways that we can check. We can observe their behavior if they're repeating a task that we just taught them, or asking them questions about information we just shared. Could be a quiz, it could be an exam, it could be a project. Lots of ways to check for understanding. But here's the one part about checking for understanding that a lot of people miss. They wait until the end of the presentation. How many times have you been to a conference and the speaker or the host has said, please hold all questions to the end? Folks, that's too late. If you're talking to me for 30 minutes or 45 minutes, I've already forgotten the first half of your presentation. Instead, check for understanding throughout. If I cover a topic, then as soon as I get through the first subtopic, ask a question, engage them, do an activity, check and make sure they're still on the same page with you. My analogy is a teacher on a school bus. She says, get on the bus. We take a field trip. Everybody gets on the bus. But then when she gets there, she turns around to count heads and she notices some of the students aren't there. Where are they? Well, Johnny got off at the McDonald's and Billy, he's still in the bathroom at the last gas station. And Susie, well, she never even got to the bus in the first place. So what does the teacher have to do? She has to turn around on the bus and go all the way back and pick up the students wherever they got off and make that repeat trip. Now, you're kind of laughing about that, but how many times have you seen a trainer go all the way through the presentation, ask for questions, and then find out some of them were confused and they had to back up and repeat half to three-fourths of the presentation, not even just once, but maybe twice. And all the time they thought it was because of a slow student or a student that didn't quite get it. When in reality, if they would have taken the time themselves to check all the way through, everybody would have made it there together. It's imperative we check throughout the presentation, not just wait to the end. By that time, it's too late.